Hello everyone. I want to tell you about some exciting new tools that Fathom is working on specifically for AI builders, vibe coders, non-technical founders that are building applications. And you'll find it at AI Builder Central. If you're interested in what I'm showing you, jump over and join the wait list. But what this does is it allows you to step through what you're working on and any issues that you're having right now, and it will make a recommendation about which tool to use. In my case, I have an application running, so it's recommending Code xray. So what I'm going to do is jump over into VS Code and show you how Code xray works with Claude to examine your application and to give you some suggestions. I'll be right back when I get there. Okay, so I am in VS Code. I'm running Claude Code in an extension this time instead of the terminal just to show that it works. And I'm just going to give it the only command that xray takes, and that is xray. So what's going to happen is xray is going to look at the current folder, which I've named WordStrain xray, and it's going to assume based on that I want to look at and examine a folder called WordStrain. So it's going to look for that and see if it's available. Now, once again, just showing that xray keeps you in control and keeps you informed. This is the information that just came out of xray. Notice that it's telling me, let me finish this. Notice that it's telling me where the app is found. It's telling me what version it's pinned, so it knows exactly what it's looking at. It's telling you that the read-only promise and how it makes sure that it's read-only. And now it's telling you that it's going to do the mapping. Mapping is pretty exciting. What that means, it is going through your project step by step, understanding everything that's included, understanding the architecture, understanding the code, understanding everything that was built, whether it was built by you or built by AI or a combination. Okay, so xray has now finished two steps, the setup step and the mapping step. This is just the output in the terminal for what you see after the mapping step is finished. Let's start with the map. Map of what xray found in my project. A component manifest. Again, a list of all of the components that are in your application. Then you get an uncertainty account. This is a very powerful part because this says what xray was uncertain about for this pass. The uncertainty account is where the next step picks up, and it begins going through these to understand better so that later it can give you even more information about your app. So just imagine how valuable just this part would be for you understanding your app, what it's doing, where it maybe is going in the wrong direction. But this is only step one of 6 steps total. And if you think this might be interesting to you, something you want to follow along with, go over to AI Builder Central, join the wait list, and we'll keep you updated as we provide more information about Code xray and the additional tools that would be part of AI Builder Central. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.